Matthew, what are we doing today?
Making a construction site.
Yeah, we're making a construction site with all of Matthew's construction vehicles and Lincoln logs, right?
Yes.
Lincoln logs.
Let's get started right away.
All right, load up the dump truck.
Let's make things in a pile. Static.
All right. Load up the dump truck. There's the load, right?
It's not.
Should we make 2 loads? 2 trucks? Make the dump truck come back and get more?
But it's not full yet.
Okay, fill it up.
It's not full yet.
Okay. Here comes the first load.
And now dump it out.
Alright, dump it down here. Here's the first load. Alright. You have to go back for more?
Yes.
Alright. Dump truck has to go back for more.
The dump truck is when it's real small.
Yeah, that picks up the real small logs, right?
Let me see how much this truck could do. It could do 1, 2, 3 Lincoln logs, Daddy. It could do more than 1, Daddy.
Well, that's good.
You could put more Lincoln logs on top.
Yeah, keep loading it. Whatever it can fill, right?
Loading the dump trucks. Right over here. And when this one ever is loading, a smallest dump truck will be a last dump truck.
Okay. Is that going to be the last load, Matthew?
Yes, that's the last load.
Okay. Here comes the dump truck. There we go. What are those trucks doing now, Matthew?
They're helping you build it.
Okay, they're coming to help. What kind of trucks do we have here?
A lot of trucks.
A lot of trucks. All the construction trucks are coming to help.
They come in to help, Dad.
All right.
It's flatbed truck. It's coming to help too.
Good.
It's broken down truck and a bulldozer too.
Here comes a bulldozer.
And this one too. A flatbed trailer.
Flatbed trailer.
Actually, it's a trailer could come.
You know who I think?
And it's could come too, could team.
Okay, good.
And its dump truck could help too.
All right.
And its crane it could help too.
All right. Bring over the crane.
Okay, hurry.
Yep. We're going to have to build this house.
With all its trucks and trucks.
We're almost done the house, right, Matthew?
Yes, I do.
Matthew's putting on the last pieces. Oh, you know what? Just turn them around the other way. They go like that. Turn them around.
Okay.
Like that. Like that. And one more. One more green piece.
Yeah.
All right. Put that last piece on the roof.
Okay. Sort of like this way.
Yep. Now you have to put the chimney on. Where's the chimney? All right. Put the chimney on. Let's take a look at the house. Take a look at the cabin.
What about Mickey and Minnie could come out of the greenhouse?
Alright, how about Mickey and Minnie come out and check their new house? Alright, are Mickey and Minnie checking out their house?
Yes.
Here's Mickey, he's in there. Minnie's going in there? Alright, one last thing Matthew's gonna do. He wants to wreck the house down now with his crane.
I want to knock your house down.
Alright, knock it down.
Okay.
It's a wrecking ball crane? Alright, wreck it. Whoa!